Now, the JLP's concerns about the PNP's candidate for the South East St. Mary by-election. The JLP at a press briefing today said while it recognizes that Dr. Shane Alexis was duly nominated, it's questioning his commitment to Jamaica. TVJ's VASHAN has our story.
On the campaign trail, the PNP's Dr. Shane Alexis referred to himself as Sugar Shane, the Jamaica Labour Party using his tagline threw this punch at the candidate after it was revealed that he's a citizen of Canada.
Shane Alexis is gone from sugar to last night imported sugar. Based on today's findings, he's now Canadian maple syrup. What a shame. What has the People's National Party come to?
The JLP acknowledges that as a Commonwealth citizen, Dr. Alexis is allowed to offer himself as a candidate in the upcoming by-election. However, questions are being raised about whether he's committed to Jamaica, given that he does not hold a Jamaican passport.
Shane Alexis had a genuine commitment to the people of Jamaica. He could have, just as he stamped or went to the trouble of getting his Canadian passport stamped with permanent residency in Jamaica to allow him to travel freely, he could have used the same effort to go through the process of becoming a naturalized Jamaican if in fact he really felt the passion to be a Jamaican.
Giving the example of his dual citizenship matter in 2007, West Portland MP Darrell Vaz is also questioning the moral authority of the PNP.
In relation to what they put me through as a Jamaican citizen and the trauma, not to mention the $25 million, for them to turn around and ask the Jamaican people to vote or elect someone who has no ties to Jamaica other than a permanent residency is a scandal.
Meanwhile, the PNP has deemed as desperate the assertions by the JLP regarding the citizenship of Dr. Shane Alexis. The PNP is arguing that Dr. Alexis grew up in Jamaica and has served Jamaica in several capacities, including as president of the Medical Association of Jamaica and the Jamaica Medical Doctors Association.
I'm not surprised if other things won't be concocted to distract from the candidate, distract the candidate and to distract the voters from supporting the candidate. But we will continue to bring our message to the voters. The candidate is there on a daily basis.
VASHAN, TVJ News.